Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to put two photos side by side on an iPhone. In order to do that, we have to create a shortcut. So open your shortcut application. After that, go to plus icon over here, and you want to search in select photos. Click on select photos and click on this arrow over here. Toggle this option on, and you want to search action again. Click on combine picture, type in combine pictures, combine images. After that you want to search action again and type in save to photos. After that, run this shortcut one time, and you want to select the photo that you want to keep horizontally side by side. Click on this tick over here and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful, and you're good to go. And after that, your photo will be horizontally side by side. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.